So if you're anything like me, you like dinosaurs, you like science, and you've always wanted to own your own dinosaur fossil, well now you can. Welcome to the review channel. Today's product sent to us in return for our honest review is this actual dinosaur fossil. This thing is kind of cool. I'm going to open it up and we're going to check it out. So it does come with a certificate of authenticity, so you know it's real. It also comes with this cool magnetic case. I got the lid off so you can see it really good, and check that out. That is an actual piece of an actual dinosaur. That's pretty cool. It looks kind of like a rib bone or something. I'm not really sure. So how cool is that? Something I always wanted was a piece of a dinosaur, and now I can own one. So according to the card that came with it, that's just held in there with putty. So if you wanted to take it out of the case, you could. I'm going to put everything back in here with this certificate of authenticity. I really like this pretty nice lid. I like how it's magnetically attached so that I can open it easily, close it easily, and I know everything's going to stay in there, out of the dirt, out of the dust, and safe. So like I said, if you like science and you like dinosaurs, or if you have a family member that likes those things or a friend, this is the perfect gift. I think this is really cool, and I definitely approve of this.